Welcome back my YouTube channel. But 16 volts minus 747, the world's largest tractor. The big but 16 volts minus 747 is the largest farm tractor ever built. It was manufactured in 1977 by Big Bud Tractors in Havre, Montana, for the Rossi brothers, cotton farmers in Bakersfield, California. This massive machine was custom designed for deep ripping in tough soil conditions, making it an engineering marvel in agricultural machinery. Specifications and features. Engine power. The Big Bud 16 volts minus 747 is powered by a 16-cylinder Detroit diesel 16V-92T engine. It originally produced 760 horsepower but was later upgraded to 1,100 horsepower. The engine is turbocharged and intercooled, ensuring maximum efficiency and power for heavy-duty farm work. Size. Weight. The tractor measures 27 feet, 8.2 meters, long, 20 feet, 6.1 meters, wide, and 14 feet, 4.3 meters, tall. It weighs approximately 135,000 pounds, 61,235 kilograms. When fully ballasted, the tractor rides on 8 8-foot-tall tires, each weighing around 2,400 pounds. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Transmission performance. The Big Bud 16 volts minus 747 features a CAT TA22 6-speed power shift transmission, allowing smooth gear changes. It can reach a top speed of 8 miles per hour. 13 kilometers per hour, which is sufficient for heavy-duty field work. The fuel tank holds 1,000 gallons, 3,785 liters, of diesel, providing extended operation hours in the field. Operational use. Implements. Designed primarily for deep ripping and heavy plowing, the Big Bud 16 volts minus 747 was used to pull a 80-foot wide chisel plow. It can till up to 1.3 acres per minute, significantly increasing farming efficiency. Due to its massive size, it requires large open fields and specialized maintenance. Current status. The Big Bud 16 volts minus 747 was retired from commercial farming and later placed on display at the Heartland Museum in Clarion, Iowa. However, in 2020, it was refurbished and brought back to Montana. Today, it remains an iconic piece of agricultural history, symbolizing the peak of tractor engineering. The Big Bud 16 volts minus 747 remains unmatched in size and power, solidifying its status as a legendary farming machine.